what a beautiful day, man. It is warming up. It's up to 51 degrees. Look at that. Oh wait, 55? That can't be right. We got us a heat wave today, everybody. Good day for it. Just gonna go out and continue my ride a little bit more. Okay, I was just out here. Watch this car right here on the right. Turn signal on, coming right over. Almost side swipes me. And that is why we got to be careful out there, everybody. They're just not looking for us. Hey, look for us. We are out here, so be on the lookout. All right, ooh, got some runoff here. Gonna take it easy through here. Take a run through the Toyota dealership. See if they got any of those new Toyota Tacomas. That's what I like. Yeah, everybody's got these Dodge Rams, man. They don't do anything for me. No, thank you. I'm more into something that's going to be reliable. Give me a Toyota any day. Oh, here they are. Here they are. All right. Tacoma. Tacoma. They got this new color. I don't know what I think of that. What the heck is that? What is that? What do they even call that color? I don't think that does anything for me. Okay, so we've got the 2019 Toyota Tacomas here. Ain't they pretty? Look at that. Huh, they did get rid of the GoPro mount. Yeah, what do they call this color? What is that? I don't like it. I don't like it. I like how they changed the grill. Still don't like it as much as what I got on mine, but what do they call that? Cavalry blue black package. Huh. And I don't see a GoPro mount. But what else? What do I see? What is that? Sheets with heated leather. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, okay. Cavalry blue. I don't like it. No, thank you. All right. Anyway, just out for a little cruise. Ba-boom. Ba-boom. So she's a little slickery. She's a little slickery. Okay, maybe we'll just take a quick jaunt up and over the hill. And bring her back. Yeah, it is a gorgeous day. This is the first ride of 2019. Look at that bird. Ooh, what's back here? Oh, I've actually never been back here before. I'm out here riding around, talking to myself.